An investing startup is just getting off the ground. Joining us now is David McDonough, the founder and CEO of the app CommonStock. Glad to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
Tell us about your startup.
So it's called CommonStock, commonstock.com. It's a way for friends to invest in the stock market and in crypto together.
How does it work exactly?
So think of it like group chat for investing or a Bloomberg terminal for retail investors, where friends can create a group with their friends or family or coworkers, talk about stocks, share information, share data, and actually get alerts when their friends trade and invest together.
What's the goal?
So the goal for us is to be the communication, information, and data layer on top of every brokerage and exchange, where friends can do their research, share analysis, talk over strategies, and then actually come to a conclusion and invest together. And hopefully the shared knowledge of the group outperforms you as an individual.
Back in the day, the Beardstown ladies made group investing popular, but what if someone comes into the group and starts talking up a hot stock that could actually be a poor investment?
Of course, and one of the things that's really funny that we see a lot is people still have that behavior, but because the group is there to moderate and sort of say, well, hold back a second, let's actually look into this, people move a lot slower in investment clubs and as groups, so they aren't as rash and they make better decisions. Usually, I have an example. Back when I started, one of my friends suggested investing in Palm Pilot and was telling us to go all in, and we all said, well, hold on a second, the iPhone just came out, let's actually invest in Apple. And that's been an amazing example of how the group can actually help discourage those quick bad decisions.
What rules of thumb do you tend to follow as an investor?
So I think doing your due diligence and thinking, I sort of am a value investor, and look at sort of what are the companies that are going to be around long term instead of the newfangled quick winners. And that's what the group is best for, is sort of seeking out, using and leveraging the knowledge of the group to find out what companies people use on a daily basis, right? And it's been really interesting to see how people respond to the macro events. We've seen Trump tweeting about farm tariffs, and John Deere is being talked about and going crazy. And so it's great to sort of do your diligence on what companies are really sort of going to be around for a long time.
Any other tips before you take off?
So the best tip I can give, and the reason we started this, is just get started, right? So investing is the biggest hurdle is just getting started. A lot of people are intimidated. The reason I started this is because if you're doing it with friends and it's social, it's a lot easier to get started. And the time horizon is one of the most important parts in investing. So we hope that not even a lot of money, just any amount, sort of under $100. It's a lot of apps have made it more accessible that we partner with. Just getting started is the most important step, and then learning by doing.
David, we thank you for stopping by.
Thanks so much for having me.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.